Hey everybody, I'm here in Wheaton, Illinois, here at Danada Lake. I did some research in the DuPage County fishing guide and noticed that this lake has catfish and bass. Pretty large amount. I'll be sure to include the link in the description. So let me set up and hopefully we catch something today. Alright everybody, so before I get started, I just want to let you all know what I've been using. I've been using my Meps Aglia size 3. I've had pretty good luck with this lure. I've caught many a bass. Let's see if we get a couple more. Right. Oh wow. It's the first time I've ever caught a bluegill with my Meps. Oh man, it's gonna be tough. This thing's huge. All right. Check that out, that thing's huge. Alright. Never caught a bluegill with my Meps before. Alright. Got another one. Not sure what it is. Struggling. Where is he? Alright. Finally. You know how long I've been here? Check this. No, this is a good size. Nice. Yeah, I've been for a while now. Check this one out. A little less than a pound. First bass of the day. Nice. Hey buddy, here you go. Look at him go. Alright, let's get another one. Alright everybody, so pretty much walked around the whole entire lake. Didn't really find that many good spots. To fish. Besides this spot, another spot further down. I tell you what. But I mean, it's worth it though. Trying to find that good spot, you know. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Hope you all enjoyed, and see y'all next time. Hey everybody, so on my way back home, I came across this park here. It's called Lombard Lagoon. I wanted to come check it out real quick, see if I get any bites before I head home, just so I know if there's a good spot to come fish again or not. Alright, so there are fishes in here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I lost it. Ah. Oh my gosh. Twice in one day. Woe is me.